Welcome to Learning French FR. In today's lesson, we're going to learn the French alphabet together. If you completely beginner in French, this lesson is perfect for you because the alphabet is foundation of reading and speaking in French. By the end of this video, you'll feel more comfortable recognizing and pronouncing French letters, which is the first big step in learning French. Before we start reading, just a quick note, the French alphabet is very similar to the English one. It also has 26 letters. But the difference is in how some letters are pronounced. Some sounds are softer, some are more nasal, and some are just a little different from English. So don't try to rush, just listen carefully and repeat slowly.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Now, let's try once more time.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
That's it for today's lesson on the French alphabet. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next lesson. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.